Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how do you get a custom crosshair in Fortnite pet in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on PS, follow these steps. First, launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Next, go to the settings menu, which can be accessed by selecting the gear icon. Next, in the settings menu, scroll to the game tab. Next, look for the crosshair settings. Here you will find options to customize your crosshair. Next, adjust the settings according to your preference. This includes changing the color, size, and thickness of the crosshair. You can also modify the opacity and outline settings. Next, once you have made your adjustments, save the settings. Next, exit the settings menu and enter a game to see your new custom crosshair in action. Make sure to experiment with different settings to find what works best for your playstyle. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.